All right, today I'm going to review and test this Hamilton Beach mini blender. Now, I'll put a link in the description below, but I'll tell you why I bought this. For one thing, it's really simple. It's got an on-off switch, very simple. This is the blender, and you can also drink out of it. So you can just take this off and take it with you, and then you can drink right out of the top. So here's how it works. There's a little dot right there, and there's a little unlock symbol right here. Line those two together, and then just do 1/4 turn, and now it's set. Okay, that's all there is to it. It's a simple on-off, just like that. Now on the front, you will see a line here. That is the minimum liquid amount. And we've already tested this, and if it won't blend, you're going to have to add more liquid until it will blend. Now the recipe that we're going to do calls for a cup of fruit and a cup of liquid, and that's slightly higher than this can do. So we're going to adjust it a little bit. The top here, this is a screw-on, all right? And so we're going to have that fully screwed on before, and this closed while we're blending. So let's get going. All right, let's do our ingredients. Coconut water, frozen berries, honey, pure vanilla extract, and dates. All right, here we go. We're going to start off with about 1/3 of a cup of coconut water and see how it goes. Now let's check and see where we are in our line. Looks like we are at just about the minimum. If that's not enough, we will adjust as necessary when we're doing the smoothie. All right, let's add some berries. I'm going to take some of those out. Looks like it got a little bit too much. There's some little escapees down here. I'm going to add some honey. I'd say about a tablespoon, maybe 2, something like that. Some vanilla. As you can see, careful measurement is where it's at. And some dates. All right, so let's put the lid on and we'll start blending and see how it goes. And we'll adjust as necessary. Okay, we're going to need to add a little bit more liquid. Alrighty, let's take a look. Let's try it. Now, like I said, you could drink it right out of here if you want. We'll just go ahead and put it in this glass just so you can see it. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. So there you have it. That is a yummy smoothie, and it just takes a few seconds. And I think this blender works really well. There are several models out there, and this one here that I'm going to put a link for is currently on sale for 26% off. They've got a different color, but it's essentially the exact same. They also have it in blue for a little bit more money, but you can take your pick. So I'll put the recipe down in the description below along with the link to